Hindi yung ano kayo maraming picture. Wish you were here. Tapos lagi
Hi mom, I love you. Oh, ba't ganyan naman yung message? I don't have a mom. Video to tita sa susunod kayo na yung magaganon eh. Kayo na yung magaganon.
Huy!
Nagdaldalan lang, tapos video, tapos magalap lang.
Huy! Yung mga bata. 2, 3, go.
Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng bundok doon, in fairness. Saan? Di ba ito mawala? Oo. Ayan.
Dapat bisa tayo pati.
Sabi ko sa'yo, ako ito na ako eh. Malalim na nga ate. I like the waves here. Wait. Kita pa siya. Grabe yung bundok, it's giving.
Come here, be careful. Don't jump because there's a baby.
Yan. Picture ako Baka na muscle ko titin. You see that, girl? Tas bading.
Missy?
Oh, ganda ng sunrise.
What's that?
Ice cream good.
Oh.
Ice cream yummy.
The step.
Ice
Yung
cream.
ganun mo. Ganun. Ice cream good.
Ice cream yummy.
Ice cream good.
Ice cream yummy.
Ice cream good.
Apple
Where's
pen.
that one? This
Baka
green
nagkilikili mo
one. Why is this a green one here? What's that?
Seaweeds? Seaweeds?
Ha?
Seaweeds?
Hindi bundok ba? Ano ba?
No, the one in the ocean.
Seaweed ba yan? Seaweed. You know seaweed?
And no, that is a wall of grass.
The grass? Seaweed yan.
Yeah, the grass in the water.
Ano ba yan? Ay, grass lang pala yan.
Ay, grass ba yan? Hindi. Yung mga lato ba yun? Lato ba yun?
Seaweed.
Yun nga, it's a seaweed.
You know
That's the sound of monkey.
Wow.
Going na oh. Look at the sunrise, Kenzie. It's so cute. You take care, Kenzie.
It's okay.
No. Oh,
Hoy,
Kenzie.
mahulog ka dyan ha.
Pag uwi na namin, bukas. Say you promise here that you will be careful because when you go there, down there, your bones will break into thousands of pieces. You like that? Say it, you like that?
No!
Oh no. So behave.
Sorry.
Where's your teeth, Kenzie? You don't have teeth. Where? Oh look, oh. The dog is digging, Kenzie.
No! Look! His dog is getting some starfish or a crab.
Oh, maybe he's finding a starfish or a crab?
Yes.
He's finding Nemo.
Yeah, he's finding Nemo because Nemo is dead.
Again.
Yeah, he's digging again.
What is finding a treasure or a diamond or a just
Yeah, maybe he can find treasure there. What if he finds a treasure? Are you gonna steal it to the top?
Okay.
You wanna steal it?
No.
Me, I want to steal it.
Or I'll call the police.
Oh! Why?
No stealing dogs or I'll call the police.
That's very good because stealing is bad, right?
Yes. What to say?
Yeah, if you're bad, you will bark like a dog.
I guess.
You like that? To bark forever? And to dig there in the sun?
No.
Oh. So, stop being bad, okay?
Okay.
Very good. Oh, let's appear.
Kiss
Give
mo na
time.
si Kuya. Dali, kiss.
Mm.
Kiss. Natin ko maganda mag-picture. Oh, maganda sana. Ay, di ko maganda.
Hey, it's so cute.
Ito mo yung blue na fish.
As na yung mga blue na fish. And look at the fish there. Eh, ang cute na mag-low tide dito. Ay! Oh my gosh!
Tapos laki no?
Kaya ang cute mag-low tide dito. Nakatakot yung octopus no kapag yan natin. Baka mamaya sobrang laki. Oh my gosh, grabe ang low tide. Minanifest na. Grabe low tide. May starfish dito oh. Ano? Ito oh. Ayan, pagalawin natin sila. I will not hurt you. Just move lang. Ay, di may crab! Crablet! Like so liit. This one oh, it's a crab. Ayan oh, crablet. Ay, ito yung gumagalaw sila, ti. Ti! Akit nila. Ang dami oh.
Ito pa nga yun. Ito pa ako.
Saan? Saan sa paa mo? Ayun yung isda ang lalaki oh.
Zoom.
Eh. Hala, nag-low tide eh. Sobrang na-stuck na sila dyan. Grabe naman ang low tide talaga. Uy, may iba-ibang kulay ng fish. Ang cute naman dito. You put the shell here, this side.
Oh. Chai.
This is the shell, oh.
No chai.
Kenzie, swim like a dolphin. Pinsinta. This is our last. Hindi pa pala to last day, no? Tomorrow pa
Last
pala.
night.
Last night. Because we stay here for 2 nights and 3 days. Ala! Tinag-high tide na.
Oo nga.
Kaso masakit yan kasi yung mga dinaan natin kanina, di ba?
Puro bato.
Puro bato. Oh my gosh, marami kayang huli si tatay. Wala nang tao.
Kasi nga one day na wala nang titindo.
Kaya nga.
Ay, picture mo ko dito sa Midoriya.
It's like we're solo na dito. Let's go.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow.
Gusto nang overlooking, no? Eh. Oh my gosh, ang ganda ng mountain. Tingnan mo yung shape ng cloud, oh. It's a question mark. Ah. Dibo. Para kanino yan? Sa akin ba or sa'yo? Sa atin dalawa. Hala, question mark talaga siya, Teo. Okay. Alam ko natin, kina-question na ng tadhana yung mga desisyon natin sa buhay.
Pinigyan ko na kaya.
Mga buwanong shit kayong dalawa. Ang dami ko nang binigay sa inyo. Hindi kayo marunong mag-alaga. Kami sa taas. Like here, oh. We're here in this kubo. Tree house. There. Diba? Diyan kami. Ito kami sa taas. Ang ganda ng overview dito. Oh my gosh, ayun ang sunrise. Daming dogs, oh. Look at the dogs here.
Let the dogs out.
Arr, arr. And finally, ganda. We're here. It's the overview. And that's the view. This is Coral View during morning. That's so ganda. And then yung beach. Hey doggies! You're too many here.
Ang reply pogi naman yan.
Tapos na-record ko yung sinabi mo. Hindi ko ito buburahin. Bahala ka, nag-video ako. Wala, alala ko sino, ano. Bahala ka dyan.
Uy!
Ang ganda kasi, oh. Oh, ang ganda.
Ayan.
Di ba ang ganda dyan? Tapos ang background, ano. Tapos ang pogi niya.
Tingin nga, lakas mo lang. Sikit ni Riri.
Baby, I'm sorry. I will not do it again.
I'm gonna go home now.